Hello, bonjour, comment ça va? And welcome back to VR Essentials. My name is Lazius K and I talk about the practical uses of VR. That's right, something like that. Alright, so today we're gonna be unpacking this guy, which is the AMVR facial interface for the Oculus Quest. Alright, let's do the unwrapping. Whoa, okay, coming right up we have the AMD Oculus Quest facial replacement cover, which I'm really looking forward to because it's supposed to be friendly for those with glasses. Alright, just on a side note, sorry to sidetrack completely, but manufacturers, please if you can, try not to use as much plastic. Alright, time to open this bad boy. Yeah, okay, we have some instructions. We have the things here. Alright, cool. Some other things. We got two. Oh, this one looks a bit thicker than here. Oh, what just dropped? Nose part. Oh, is this useful? So this is the first time I'm actually changing it. Okay, I only have one strand. So I'm not sure if I'll be able to test it properly. But you see the hole here? Here it's supposed to basically cover for the glasses, okay? And then I have my other glasses, which, because these are the glasses I've been using with my VR headset, because the frame of this, I did this on purpose. I got a very long frame, you see. So if you have a frame as long as this, and this can seriously take it, wow, that would be really, really amazing. Otherwise, I'm going to have to get two pairs of glasses. Let's do this together. I'm going to take my Quest. First, of course, I remove the padding inside here. There we go, it's all gone. And then we put the new one in. So I generally put the two ones in first at the top. Sometimes you hear a click, sometimes you don't. And then I generally put the nose in second. So I put the nose and I try to go on the side, see if it will click anywhere. I generally look at this part to make sure it's nice and snug inside. I also look at the lenses. The lenses I didn't have to do any work. It just goes on the side, so very good. All right, and now we're going to put I'm going to put the thin one first. I'm going to use a thin one, so we're just going to do this. It just sticks automatically. I like the fact that there's holes on the side. I'm very excited. I'm really, really excited. You don't know how excited I am because it's been hurting me and I've had to change my glasses all the time. Let's try this. Okay, I'm gonna put one of my glasses in. Let's see if it works. It doesn't work. The frames of my glasses are simply too long. Oh my God. All right, so don't get long frame glasses, but let's try it with the normal glasses now. Okay, see, like magic. Looks like they're just floating in space, right? All right, so let's try this again. These are normal frames, all right? They pop in. It works. And it's not too bad, it's quite comfortable. I can smell it doesn't smell of PU, it smells of something else. So I think VR Cover did a better job in terms of the materials they use. It's more PU, more leathery than AMVR, I have to say. I think AMVR is a bit more synthetic. Okay, but I'll do a proper comparison video another time. Okay, so I'm feeling quite comfortable. I'm using the thin one at the moment, all right? The glasses, I can't feel my glasses whatsoever. Let me just switch it on. Perfect, yeah, it's very clear. And of course, I'm using the Clear Care description in the link in the description below of how I use the Clear Care and put it on my lenses to protect my lenses as I'm wearing glasses. I don't want my glasses to scratch my lenses. So check out that video if you haven't seen it. All right, now let's try the thicker padded ones and see the difference. All right, so I put the bigger one. Now is the moment of truth. It's considerably larger. It's puffy, more puffy, I would say. So got the glasses on. Oh wait, let's try the longer glasses. these ones. All right, let's see if it will handle it. Go. No, it doesn't handle it also. All right, so do not get frames that are super long, super wide. Let's put my normal glasses back on and let's try it. All right, here we go. Oh, nice. Oh, very nice. Okay. So my Oculus is powered on, by the way, I can see inside. And there's definitely more distance between the lenses and my glasses. And I like that. I like the extra space there. I put some Clear Care protective film on these about 3 days ago. So it's super clear inside. I have to protect my lenses of the Oculus in case they get scratched. Link in the description below how to put the Clear Care protective film on your lenses. And it does take about 5 to 7 days, sometimes 10 days to be 100% transparent. But here I have about 80%, so all good. Honestly, AMVR, yes, I can smell the synthetics. I'm not gonna wear it right now. I'm gonna leave it away for 3 or 4 days. But you have sold me. I'm sold. I simply feel really comfortable inside of my glasses. I don't feel like I have my glasses on. I'm really happy with this. It doesn't hurt me. Okay, bear in mind that I have not tried the VR cover ones yet. The VR cover ones are here, so they're coming in another video. The fact that you created these things here for the glasses with the holes, I mean, come on, it's just simple, you know, it's just really easy, really simple. Great job, fantastic, all good. All right, so as far as the nose piece is concerned, personally, I'm not really bothered about seeing underneath. I actually quite like the fact that I can see the real world too, because if I want to check the time, something on my phone, I'm adding someone through Oculus on the app. I play the DJ app a lot, so I add a lot of people and I go into the app with them. I listen to them DJ and all these kind of things. So I'll try it on. I mean, to me, it makes no difference whatsoever, to be honest. I can still see the gap. It's an extra piece of plastic that's there. Honestly, personally, if you're gonna create something in VR, do it properly, because there's no use for it. That's complete piece of crap, sorry. We have to be honest in our videos. So also what AMVR provided is they provided this, which is the cover to protect your lenses when you take them away. Actually, it's very nice to have. AMVR, thank you very much for supplying that. We cannot have enough of these protection things. Some of them do come with the cases when you buy them. When I bought this case, by the way, there's going to be another video coming up with, I'm going to compare like 4 or 5 different cases. So subscribe, click the notification bell for that one. Because they're going to be coming in next week or 2. So guys, remember to like and subscribe, comment below, ding, all your comments and suggestions, you know, ideas, content you want me to go out and shoot exclusively for you. And again, thank you very much for watching. Until next time, take it easy. DJ, take it away.